Hi and happy Sunday. Hope you're having a great day. My name is Connie Graf Lewis from Chaos to Peace Consulting. And so I just came back from horseback riding. We couldn't go for 6 weeks. First it was raining, then we went on vacation, then we had the heat wave, and you don't want to do that to the horses when it's 35 degrees in the shade, horseback riding. So we had to wait. And finally today we could go. And this was really like well deserved and well needed. So, as the title says of the video, I want to talk about what is clutter and why is it a problem. And I don't know if you follow me, then you know that yesterday I hosted an in-person workshop here locally with the same title, What is Clutter and Why is it a Problem? And it was actually my at least at that space, my very first live in-person workshop. And I had no idea what to expect. So I didn't know whether people would even show up or whether I would be standing there all by myself. But when I got there, there was already 6 people in the space, and it still took me a few minutes to clue off that, oh, they're here for me. Yeah, so I think it was a good event. It was a great turnout for a Saturday afternoon. And so a lot of people came afterwards to me and said great content and that they're considering signing up for the paid workshop. And that one is at the end of the month. So if you missed yesterday's workshop and you still would want to learn about what is clutter and why it's a problem and why I call a decluttering or clutter clearing is self-love, then check out my Facebook page under the event section. I have all the following events posted there, and hopefully one is in your area and you can come. If not, I actually have an online event that is starting tomorrow, and that one is called The Organized Entrepreneur. And so that one is for 3 weeks, and we do the work together still, even though it's online. You can sit from the comfort of your office. You can sit there, and I teach you how I do it, how I stay organized. We discuss what the best way would be for you to stay organized. And then we start doing the work. And getting organized is not a one-time event. It's like decluttering. It's an ongoing event. But once we get the ball rolling and we do a little bit every day, it gets easier and easier. And it's the same with decluttering. So that's why I say a few minutes a day, keep chaos away. It's how you get organized as an entrepreneur and how you stay organized as an entrepreneur. And with organized, I mean you have a clear environment, like a clean desk, one that you can actually work on productively. You have an organized office, so not a junk room. Like I hear sometimes people say, oh, my office looks like a junk room, which is really sad. This is where you make your livelihood. This is where you earn hard cash. This is where you sit when you serve your clients. Shouldn't be a junk room. So we're taking care of the physical space, and afterwards in the week 2 we focus on your file monster. We all have a file monster, but it can be tamed and it's not that difficult. So that's what we do in week 2, and in week 3 we take care of finances. And it's a little bit different than what you might expect. It's just showing with what little habits and little effort you actually can be on top of things and be on top of your finances and have clarity. And you don't have to wait until the end of the year when your accountant is doing your taxes to know whether or not your business was profitable. So this is the 3 weeks that I guide you through, from chaos to peace, from your chaos to your peace. It's very individual, so there is no one mold fits all. And so if this is something that interests you, if you have said for a few weeks already, or maybe even months, I should get organized. I should declutter my office. I should take care of my files. I should keep up with my finances. All these shoulds. Now is the best time to take action. Now is, yeah, because you get me as support, you get the others as support, you have accountability. We do it all together. I always have something to declutter here in my office. I always have something in my filing system to improve, and I always can do something in my finances. So I will be right with you. I will do the work right with you. And it will not feel like work. It will more feel like fun, and you will feel amazing afterwards, because once you decluttered and you organized some, a huge weight lifts off your shoulder. And so that's what I experienced, and that's what I hear from other people that happens to them. So if you want to experience that, and if you want to go much lighter and more focused into the busy September, when everybody is back to school, back to work, crazy frenzy starts again after summer vacation, then join me tomorrow for the next and the next 3 weeks, and become also an organized entrepreneur. Yeah, so that's what I wanted to talk about. And I wanted to close with that quote that I posted today on my Facebook feed. No, I think I only posted, I may have posted only in the group, so I will post it in the feed. But the quote goes like this: don't tell me where your priorities are. Show me where you spend your money, and I'll tell you where they are. And it's a guy named James W. Frick that said that. And I find that a very good quote, because and you could actually even take that quote with not just with money, but also with time. Like, sometimes we're all talk and no action. So we're saying something that we want to do. We're saying, I want to do this, I want to do that, and then our actions are completely opposite. Our action, how we spend our time, might be completely opposite of what we're saying how we want to spend our time. How we spend our money might be completely opposite of how we're saying we want to spend our money, and so on and so forth. So if you always wanted to get organized in your business, and you're saying it, but you're not doing it, again, now is the time to show what your priorities are. Join us for the 3 weeks of the Organized Entrepreneur. I can't wait to meet you in the training tomorrow and help you move from chaos to peace. My name is Connie Graf Lewis from Chaos to Peace, and I see you hopefully tomorrow. Bye.